From the towering peak of Mount Fuji to the tranquil sacred forests where centuries-old trees stand guard, Japan is a land constantly shaped by the forces of nature. Yet, amidst all this power, there is an elegance and serenity that feels almost unreal. A country where technology blends seamlessly with ancient traditions, or where quiet temples sit just steps away from the world's busiest cities. But what is it about a land that has been through so much, yet remains one of the most enchanting places on Earth?